remember that the stock market is a manic depressive. Should you find yourself in a chronically leaking boat, energy devoted to changing vessels is likely to be more productive than energy devoted to patching leaks. Rule number 1. Never lose money. Rule number 2. Never forget rule number 1. Price is what you pay. Value is what you get. It's better to hang out with people better than you. Pick out associates whose behavior is better than yours, and you will drift in that direction. Of the billionaires I have known, money just brings out the basic traits in them. If they were jerks before they had money, they are simply jerks with $1 billion. I always knew I was going to be rich. I don't think I ever doubted it for a minute. You only have to do a very few things right in your life, so long as you don't do too many things wrong. It takes 20 years to build a reputation and 5 minutes to ruin it. If you think about that, you will do things differently. Lose money for the firm and I will be understanding. Lose a shred of reputation for the firm and I will be ruthless. Risk comes from not knowing what you are doing. Never invest in a business you cannot understand. In the business world, the rearview mirror is always clearer than the windshield. It's far better to buy a wonderful company at a fair price than a fair company at a wonderful price. If a business does well, the stock eventually follows. Only buy something that you would be perfectly happy to hold if the market shut down for 10 years. There seems to be some perverse human characteristic that likes to make easy things difficult. Forecasts may tell you a great deal about the forecaster. They tell you nothing about the future. Diversification is protection against ignorance. It makes little sense if you know what you are doing. Opportunities come infrequently. When it rains gold, put out the bucket, not the thimble. Widespread fear is your friend as an investor because it serves up bargain purchases. If you get to my age in life and nobody thinks well of you, I don't care how big your bank account is, your life is a disaster. Whether we are talking about socks or stocks, I like buying quality merchandise when it is marked down. The best thing that happens to us is when a great company gets into temporary trouble. We want to buy them when they are on the operating table. Most people get interested in stocks when everyone else is. The time to get invested is when no one else is. You can't buy what is popular and do well. If past history was all that is needed to play the game of money, the richest people would be librarians. Honesty is a very expensive gift. Don't expect it from cheap people. Wall Street is the only place that people ride to in a Rolls Royce to get advice from those who take the subway. It is not necessary to get extraordinary things to get extraordinary results. You keep doing the same things and you keep getting the same results over and over again. Tell me who your heroes are and I'll tell you who you'll turn out to be. Guys, which quotes did you like the most? Tell me in the comments. And if you liked the video, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Bye bye.